Hello, and welcome to
Canva Conversations with Colby.
I'm Colby. This month, the portrait of a graduate characteristic that we are focused on is curious thinker. This means we want students to continuously seek multiple perspectives, ask questions, and stay open to new ideas in an ever-changing world. These bullet points add some additional details. This video is part of our Big Six series focused on Canva. And of course, it is our Big Six in 60 seconds. So I'm going to take the next 60 seconds to talk to you a little bit about Canva work kits for teachers. Here we go. Access the work kits by clicking templates, and then you'll find work kits over here on the left. The work kit I'm going to show you is this elementary teachers. It really can be used K through 12. One of the first resources is this one for producing a podcast. What better way to get your students showing their curiosity than by having them produce a podcast on a topic where they can explore multiple perspectives and be willing to accept new ideas. Scrolling down, you'll find that there are some templates for project-based learning to apply learning to the real world, such as this Learning Showcase zine, or there's this learning log, which are both good templates that you could have your students utilize. Up at the top of the work kit, you'll also find the ready-to-use templates, which include ready-to-teach lessons. One of the things being highlighted is the Thought Leaders collection. This includes articles from the New York Times to become critical thinkers on lots of different topics, or these Curiosity Chronicles. If you click on any of these, you'll see the elements that make up the lesson and the lesson objective. Check out the resources in this Canva work kit for teachers and see what you can find to help your students be curious thinkers. Thanks for watching.